Hi everyone, my name is Tina, I'm head of design of VectoriaDesigns, and in this video I want to present you a brand new pack, the Ephemera File Folders Project Pack. It's quite a mouthful. It is called a project pack because you can make a lot of crafting projects with all the content. The pack contains more than 70 sheets, the templates not included. In this video I'm going to show you exactly what is in this pack and a few examples what you can make with them. The pack is for sale in our shop. I'll put a link in the description where you can discover it. And now let me show you everything that is in this pack. And here it is, about 70 sheets plus blank templates to start making beautiful crafts. First of all, there's a bunch of file folders to start crafting with. They come in different kinds: embellished, neutral, ink savers and templates. There's also a full sheet back design if you want to use that. And these are pockets and cards to put inside those file folders. They also come in embellished, neutral, ink savers and templates. For journal and album makers, the kit has 10 full sheet double pages featuring typography, ephemera and beautiful blue flowers. The pack also has the same journal pages in a smaller size and also in a narrower size, so they can fit the file folders if you like that. To decorate everything you've seen so far, there are 12 pages filled with embellishments, and on the bottom you can see 2 envelopes. If those file folders are going to work, you need the box to put them in. This pack has 3 different sized boxes with panels to decorate them, and if you want to use your own paper, the templates for the structure and the panels are provided too. And last but not least, some extras: 4 full sheet ephemera style papers, 4 sheets with mini ledger papers, and a few sheets to create a mini notebook. And now let me show you a few items that you can make with this pack. One of the items that you can make with this project pack is this cute little journal. The tutorial for this little journal will be in another video. For the cover I used full pages that are included in this kit. I embellished the cover with a few embellishments. Let me open this. The inside cover pieces of this journal are also in the kit. You need some extra materials, of course. I can't just email cardboard and ribbon to you. I wish I could. In front of this journal is a little notebook. These printables are all in the kit, and the template to hold this journal is also in the kit. And as you see, the main components of this journal are file folders, and they hold everything. This one has extra pockets to put cards in there. This one holds a lot of papers, so you can put any type of papers in here. Like, these are not included, these were ones that I had laying about, but these ones, these little ledger papers, are included. These ones too, these cute mini journal paper pages are included, and you can put them in here as well. Another file folder that you can add pockets to. And you see the 2 techniques that I used. I used sewing and hinges together. This is also one of the mini journal pages. As you know, you get these also as an 8.5 by 11 if you want to make larger journals. This is one of my own. This is not in the kit, but the other ones, the ledger papers like this one are. These are in the kit as well. And there you have it, a super cute journal that you can make with this kit. And I chose to keep it fairly simple, to just use some tape on the back, some white tape, and I used black, but of course you can use any type of color there is. So let me show you some boxes. So here are 2 of the boxes. This is a 2-inch deep one, this is a 4.25-inch deep box, and there's also a size in between that's 3 inches deep, so you only have to print whatever size you like to use. And I have a bunch of file folders here. These are the ink saver file folders that I printed on craft paper, so you use a lot less ink. You can just drop them in here and save all kinds of little crafty items or cards, tickets, other types of memorabilia, whatever you like. And the box is just a simple box with some panels and a label in front. And if you don't want to print all these pieces, I totally understand. I also included the templates. And the templates are just white with a black outline. So you can print that on any type of paper or cardstock that you have laying around with all kinds of patterns or colors. So you hardly have to use ink anyway. Now the large box can hold, of course, a lot of file folders, but it can also hold 4 of these. So you can put them in like this, and it holds 4 in a row, and look what a pretty sight that is. Another item that you can make with this pack is a gift card. I used the file folder as a base, I embellished it inside and out, and this is one of the 2 envelopes that is also in this pack. It fits in there snugly and you can make someone very happy with this. These are the main items that you can make with this Ephemera file folder project pack, but I'm sure you can come up with a lot more projects. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video inspired you to start crafting like now. I'm also curious what you can make with all these printables. If you have some ideas, please put them in the comments below. And if you want to discover this pack in our shop, just click on the link. And I truly wish you a beautiful crafty day. Bye everyone!